The growth in home equity is what everyone is talking about, but what exactly is home equity and how do I use it? Hi, I'm Eda de Leon, Realtor and broker owner of Florida Relocation Real Estate, and today we'll talk about how homeowners are building equity and how to take it out. But first, what's home equity? Home equity is the difference between what's owed on the home and the current market value. So, for example, you owe $200,000 on your home, but the current market value is $300,000. So your equity is $100,000. You know how the moment you buy a car, you drive out the parking lot and it starts depreciating? Well, in real estate is the opposite. The moment you buy a house, it starts appreciating in value. How? Well, you make 5, 10, 20% down payment towards buying a house, right? So right there, that down payment is your equity. You also build equity through your regular monthly payments because a portion of those payments go straight to lowering your loan balance. The improvements that you make to your home also goes towards your equity because now your home is worth more. Another way, and the best way of building equity, is through appreciation. You don't have to do anything. Your equity grows without you even realizing it, especially in a seller's market like we are now. A combination of low housing supply and a strong buyer's demand is driving home values up, giving homeowners a significant boost. So let's say you bought a home 5 years ago for $200,000. Now it's worth $300,000, just like that. That's what's called appreciation, and many times you don't even need to wait years to gain equity. We'll go over that in my next video, how to buy new construction in Orlando and instantly gain equity. So stay tuned for that. Now, let's talk about how to take your equity out. Well, you can sell your home, pay off your loan at closing and along with your closing costs, and then the remainder is your equity. You can also do a home equity loan, also known as a second mortgage. The lender allows you to borrow part of your equity, which you can use for a number of things, like buying a home that better suits your needs, home improvements, paying for college education, starting a new business, and other necessities. Just make sure to use your equity wisely. The good thing about this type of loan is that your interest rate is always lower than if you were to get a personal loan. So now you have two mortgages, the first mortgage and the second mortgage. You can also get a HELOC or a home equity line of credit, and it works just like a credit card. Here is an example. You get approved for a $50,000 home equity line of credit, but let's say you only use $10,000. So you start making payments on the $10,000. Another way to take your equity out would be by doing a cash out refinance, where you simply replace your current mortgage with a bigger mortgage, allowing you to use part of your equity. The good thing about this is that you can reduce your interest rate, take your cash out, and make only one payment, as opposed to the home equity loan or HELOC where you have to make two payments. All of this may sound a little bit complicated. I promise it's not as bad. Send us a text and schedule a free consultation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to keep bringing you new content. Until the next time.